So this is the micro SaaS that we built in 2 hours for real estate agents to make calls using our platform. And it's super cool. You can make calls by uploading the CSV and check analytics of the call. It's completely end to end. Your client can log into this software. It's a micro SaaS which is built of complete no code. Super cool. So you can register yourself, click on sign in. Oh yeah, I messed up something. Oh, of course I messed up the password. So you need to put in the right password, else it's gonna not work. Once you reach, you're gonna see something like this. Go to CSV upload, choose a file. I'm gonna choose this one, click on open, click on upload and process. It's processing. As you could see, it's all, so you can map the column. So property address, owner name, phone number, additional info, send to webhook. As you can see, this is the phone number and this is everything that we have, and we should receive a call. So, and that phone is also receiving a call, but yeah.
Hi, Shreya's Raj. This is Maya from ABC Investment Group. I have a question about 123 Marytown, West Virginia that might interest you. Do you have 30 seconds?
30 seconds, yeah, go on.
Oh, sorry, please go ahead. I was just reaching out because...
No, yeah, I'm super interested and I would like to talk to David. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shreyas. I appreciate your enthusiasm.
Yeah, just ask David to call me back. Or just ask him to, I'm interested, just make him call me back. So I cut the call. Now, this backend allows to process the after call stuff. So you can process the after call, what happens. So if call back, ring again, DND, interested, has all of that. If the person is interested, you'll get a mail on your mailbox. If the person is, what's this? Yeah. If the person requests a call back, let's just say call me back in 30 minutes, the AI would do a call back. If the person does not pick up the call, AI is going to ring him again. So that's how it's going to be. Super powerful, super straightforward, completely tailored for a client. This is the front end where we send data and then it makes a call. The stuff is running on VAPI, which is super cool as well. And all in all, you can also see VAPI's analytics. If I copy this real quick, this is the VAPI API key, and go to our app, which is here. If I go to VAPI analytics and paste it here, test and connect. So we can literally see everything that's happening with VAPI. Call summary, call transcripts, system. You can listen to the recording. We can do all of this. So this is the whole SaaS that we have built. You can onboard your clients. You can use their credentials. This way, all they have to do is upload a CSV. Calling would be done. Everything would be done. Completely automated, and you can. So yeah, I got this idea from Prop.ai, which is something that my client once mentioned. I said, you know what? How hard would it be to replicate it? So today we're going to replicate Prop.ai live. Now it won't have all the functionalities, being honest, but it's going to be a real estate micro SaaS, which would help real estate people generate more income and make cold calls in general. So without any further ado, we'll get right into this. So first things first is micro SaaS real estate. This is all we would need. Investment is around, let me just give you a rough estimate, be $60 to $100. Again, because it's all required, all these components are needed, so you need this. But yeah, once we have these, or once we have like a few of these, and we can, for VAPI, I mean, you don't actually need, I can remove VAPI, doesn't really matter, but N10 is required self-hosted, because if you do it temporarily, then your app would break once the trial ends, which wouldn't be something that I would like, and neither would your client, so don't do that. Twilio, it's $20 to get a paid number which can call anyone in the world, so that's a pro. And Bolt.new, because we're gonna do it all vibe coded and no code. So let's just get right into it. First things first is, let's just first prompt out our ChatGPT that we want. So this is the prompt that I've typed out. You guys can copy it simply. Give me prompt for a micro SaaS AI website similar to Prop.ai, describing each page like pricing, dashboard interface. It should have purple black theme. It should also have login, logout functionalities. Perfect. I want the homepage or user section looks similar. This is a micro SaaS to allow users to make calls. Perfect. I can also ensure top notch copy and sales on the website. This way the website copy would be on point and just make more sales in general. Let's see how the AI reacts. Creating micro SaaS homepage. Call, close and go. Perfect. Dial estate AI. That's a really cool one. So mid purple, we've got everything that we need. Pricing stuff. So what we'll do is we'll need to go to Bolt. So I'll open Bolt real quick. Bolt.new. So once we are inside Bolt, as you can see, I'm on a paid plan. If you want Bolt.new, if you want to subscribe to Bolt.new, the link is down below in the description. You can grab that and use it to subscribe to Bolt. If you want to use VAPI or Twilio, just go onto their website and start using it. The only paid resources required are mostly Bolt, because you need something to code. You are not going to write the code yourself, let's be honest. So you need Bolt and you would need you need Twilio. So those two are required, like they're mandatory. You can't bypass that. Anyways, as you could see, I think we have got our prompt. Yeah, this looks cool to me. So funnily enough, this is also a client project, so you'll see how I do client projects in general. But I mean, this would be a cool documentation, being honest. I would not attach the picture just because I know it's gonna mess up a lot of stuff. Also, you need to attach this to Superbase. Now, if you don't already have an account, or if you don't already use Superbase, or you have not attached the Superbase to any projects, that's good. But if you've already attached your Superbase to one project, you can't have multiple you can have multiple Superbase accounts, but it's a bit of a thin line where you might need, if you're on a free Superbase account, you would need to disconnect your Superbase account from the last app and use it for this app. That's how simple it is. So once this is done, as you can see, the thing's getting built out. You can just have a look at the prompt again. Profiles. So the prompt is, give me a prompt. So I got this image from Dribble. You can go on Dribble and you can just grab any picture. So I like that one, so I grabbed this particular image. But yeah, you could just go and explore landing pages. You can grab asset for one-click assets for defense. Okay, that's cool. I mean, all in all, you could just grab any of this, and that way it's gonna work super. And this looks super sick, amazing. Oof. Yeah, I like it. Anyways, okay, these websites are super cool. Wow, that's there's some super cool designs, but I know AI is not that capable. And this is my VAPI, which is using ad hoc infrastructure, which means that I'm paying for my credits. And then we got Twilio, we got my micro SaaS system, we got our workflow. So here we'll build out the backend, because you can't obviously do it in VAPI. In Bolt. We also have Claude in case we need to figure out some code and stuff. And then this is Prop.ai. This is the illustrate ownership simplified. No, not this. This is Prop.ai. This is the one that I'm talking about. So Prop.ai.com. This is the one. One-click real estate. Thousands of lifelike AI calls. So this is our competition. This is what my client is using, and I have to replicate something like this. I won't tell you a ticket value, because I won't tell you that. I'm just telling you that we are building it live. So maybe should I give you guys a hint? No, I don't want to. The fun part is that I can just replicate it for all my clients, and it's gonna be super cool, super fun, and it just allows me to earn. The earning potential is limitless, because I've got a lot of clients, and I could just, anyone that's in real estate, they can have a piece of this, they can own this software, they can have a monthly subscription of this software that allows them to make unlimited calls, bring your own API keys, as simple as that. chef's kiss. It's perfect. What else do you need? So we'll see on that. I think we'll provide them with numbers. I need to check. I'll see how many numbers I actually own, based on that I can say, you know what, I've got these numbers. Just give them a drop down of which numbers they choose to call with. But yeah. I think I'd also need a bunch of phone numbers to call in. It might be like a bit difficult, but let's see. I mean, because I'm not a real estate guy, so I'll call myself at max. That's the plan. So let's see. I mean, I would like to trouble people for my own personal benefit. So, let me just make a new agent as well. Hello, this is Jen from. I think we also need to personalize the calls, and I'm also thinking that we'll send the person a reminder on Telegram that, hey, you know, there's an interested guy that you need to respond to and stuff. Let's see how this is gonna work. So first things first is we'll do this, and I'll quickly check how the website is coming up. Okay, so no, I think it's gonna take its time. So I'll quickly go in here and I'll say for AI agent to, let me just see, I do have a prompt. Something like this. To ask to sell the property, use this prompt for reference and make a great output prompt. Also give blanks to fill with dynamic variable data. So I gave it a prompt. This prompt is, I mean, you'll see the output, so it doesn't really matter, but yeah. I'll check how, okay, so it's still building, which is pretty cool. Yeah, agent backstory. I mean, I don't think we need agent backstory, but it doesn't really matter. Permission time. Oh shit, okay, that's a lot of variables, being honest. So let me just see what the variables could be. I think I made a flirty AI assistant. This is it. Yeah. Let me check. Oh, wait, this is the wrong one. I think I'll say that please only keep variables like property address and the person being called his name. That should be it. I mean, that's all you need essentially. And company name, calling from as variables. Fill out everything else with your own creativity. So this way, I mean, we don't have to fulfill a lot of these variables, and that would be pretty cool. So Maya. Okay, this already looks a bit decent, so I'm pretty surprised. No, I'll also show you guys something really cool. Average agent loses this much. Inefficient calling. Register. Login. You know what? I actually have a set of prompts which are super powerful and super helpful. So what I think I'll go to 21st.dev real quick. 21st.dev. Cool shit. They've got like some crazy assets and shit. This is some crazy stuff. I kind of like it, by the way. Yeah, this it's looking so cool. First.dev. Neural dynamics prompting is all you need. Oh shit, that's pretty cool. We find something for the headline. Thanos snap effect. Ooh, yeah. I like it. Shit, okay. Magnifying glass effect. I don't know why, but I like this one. Shit, I like this one. I'll say I want the hero section element to look like this. Format accordingly to match the website theme and narrative. I kind of think that I should not be doing this and rather do the Superbase integrations right off the bat. I think I need to delete this one because this is emails pro. Okay. I think I'll delete this one. Wait. Because I know I'm not using this one, so. Whether I have a paid Superbase plan, so. Yeah. Account preference. I'll also delete this one. So if you are on a free plan, you'll only have a single create a new project. I'll call it Realtor Pro database. Create a new project. Let's see how this. Let's go. Works, okay, works for me. Okay, I would need some more crazy elements because these elements are super cool. So ooh, okay, this is decent. Or something. I think I should not go for that because it would take a lot of time. Like if I actually want to do all of this shit, if I actually want to make it like look really pretty, it's going to take a lot of time. So let's just not do it. I mean, I can have these prompts set up, and if you're working on something else, we can do it. But in general, I wouldn't want to. Shit connects faster. These are all looking pretty solid. Looking at something that's your logo, okay. Never mind. Okay. I mean, there's so many cool elements in here that I can't decide. Okay. Newest, and the newest are looking pretty cool. By the way, this Magic MCP is super cool as well. So supports IDs, yeah. So if I go to chat, wait, my bad, wait, yeah. If I go to Magic Chat, I want a 3D rendered section element with a hexagonal 3D shape floating with shine super premium. So what you could do is you can create a components right in right of 21st.dev, and you'll get a prompt, you'll get an option to copy prompt. You can copy the prompt into your main website. It's crazy. So wait, yeah, never mind. I want a 3D hexagonal element build left with particle effect text on the right, super premium and active. Let's see what are we going to get out of this. Probably, so you're getting 4 variants. This is so cool. This is it's insanely awesome. I mean, I can't praise this enough. What I'll do is I'll click on login, click on register first of all, John Doe. Just log in real quick because we have to make it work. Agree, create account, make sure the login and registration data is tracked in the database. Allow login and registration. I messed up spelling bad, but I don't think AI would mind. Okay, this is made. This is super made, but I mean, again, you kind of got what I asked for, so I'm not complaining. Looks good as well. I think I could have been more specific. That's what I think. I think I should get my other phone so that I can make calls. So, 2 minutes. Got my other phone so that we can make calls, and let's just get right to it. So it's reading Superbase libraries, which is kind of cool. So I'll quickly start building out the backend as well. So the backend is usually dependent on the front end. That's why I'm more or less waiting for the front end to finish. If I go to the backend, we've already got a sales agent voice, which looks super cool to me. Variables to fill out, quick setup, temperature, Control C, go to VAPI dashboard. I think I'll switch my account because this account is breaking my bank, kinda. So wait, should I? What I'll do is I think I should log out because wait, where can I log out? Settings, profile. Yeah, log out. Thanks. Because paying to VAPI, I'll use my other account so that we can still have a lot of space for testing. Doesn't really matter. So I'm inside VAPI. So I got like 100 ad hoc infra. So it's pretty cool. create assistant, paste it here. Okay, let's just select the cheapest one, voice configuration. Kylie, publish. I don't know why, but the VAPI voices are pretty damn good, being honest.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, sorry. Please go ahead.
Go on. Well, why did you call?
Thanks for asking. This is Maya calling from COMPANYNAME. I'm reaching out about your property at PROTYADDRESS. We're a small investment group that actually purchases homes directly from owners. Break time 700 meters. Would it be okay if I took about a minute to explain why I'm calling?
Wait, why is it talking about break time and stuff? I think this should fix it. If I go to Bolt. Okay. I'll apply changes real quick. Click on never. Click on register. Type in my phone numbers. I agree. Create account. There's been an issue that, okay, we'll attempt the fix. I mean, this seems like pretty cool to me, but it didn't actually give me what I was looking for, so yeah, it kind of fell short. This is weird. Yep, we can't see shit, but okay, kind of works. I mean, I'm not complaining. It's just that it could be better. Database error saving new user. Shit, okay. Is it connected? Yeah, it's connected. Anyways, going back to, yeah, works. Okay, so I'll quickly grab this variables to fill. Never mind. I'll close this. Go in here, paste it here. Go and publish. What I'll do is GPT-4 1 Nano. Okay. 11 labs would do better, probably. Publish. Let's just try 11 labs. Let's see how it's gonna affect it. Talk to assistant. Hello.
Oh, sorry. Please go ahead.
Okay. Why did you call?
Hi. Thanks for asking. I'm Maya calling from company name. I'm reaching out about your property at property address. We're a small investment group that actually buys homes directly from owners. No commissions or showings involved. Would it be okay if I took about a minute to explain why I'm calling?
The voice is gay. I'm sorry, but the voice is gay. Change it. Louis, see, Christopher, Claire. Yeah, let's just try Claire. I think I know what went wrong in the Superbase, by the way, so refresh this real quick.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me? Why did you call?
Oh, sorry. Please go ahead.
Why did you
I
call?
totally understand. I completely understand. Could I just take 25 seconds? This isn't a typical real estate call, and I promise it'll be quick.
Okay, but so why did you call?
Thanks for asking. We're a small investment group that actually purchases homes directly from owners, and I was reaching out about your property at property address. I just wanted to see if you might be interested in discussing some options.
I am. What is this regarding?
Oh, sorry. Please go ahead.
No, what is this regarding? I don't wanna. I wanna sell my home, but what is this all regarding?
Thanks for clarifying. So, We're a boutique investment firm that buys properties directly, no commissions, no showings, and we can work around your timeline. I was calling to see if you'd be open to chatting about your property at property address, just to understand your plans a bit better.
I mean, I might, but I don't know what like. I'm not actually that interested in like selling my property, being honest.
I totally get that, and I really appreciate your honesty. If it's okay, could I just take 25 seconds? This really isn't a typical real estate call, and there's no obligation at all.
Okay, please explain why you explain. Yeah, please go on.
Thanks so much. Like I mentioned, we're a small firm that buys homes directly from owners. No commissions or showings needed. We work flexibly around your timeline, and our goal is to make the process simple and straightforward. I'd love to understand your situation a little better. Would it be okay if I asked a few quick questions?
Go on.
Great, thank you. First, what's motivating you to consider selling your property?
I mean, there's nothing motivating. Maybe I'm open to it, but I might not. There's nothing like, there's not a particular motivation, being honest. Maybe I'm just open to it.
I appreciate your honesty. So, if you're open to it, do you have a rough idea of when you might want to make a decision, or if you'd like to explore options sooner or later?
This month.
Thanks for sharing that. So your timeline is within this month. That's
Yeah.
helpful to know. And just to get a clearer picture, are there any concerns or issues with the property that you're thinking about?
I mean, are you talking about my property?
Yes, exactly. I was referring to your property at property address. Are there any concerns or things you're worried about regarding it?
I mean, no, not exactly. Wait, I'll call you back.
Got it. Oh, so
So, let me see how much credits did I exhaust. Wow, okay, so that was a lot. Anyways, so the front end is done. It's okay, the login logout is working pretty cool. I'll say, now give option to upload CSV files into the SaaS, save data in database, and the uploaded CSV should be allowed to map columns like property address, owner name, property address, owner name, property address, owner name. That should do. Okay, perfect. Property address, owner name, additional helpful info can include a few columns. After that, the data needs to be sent to the following webhook. That needs to be sent to the following webhook, and I'll quickly grab the webhook from this workflow. So all I did was I grabbed a webhook URL. I changed the HTTP method to post. Grabbed the URL. Went back to Bolt. This is where it needs to be sent. After that, it needs to be sent to the following webhook. Send each row data one by one. Also, we shall be sending data. I think maybe I can have it query data from VAPI. I can say, you know what, like use VAPI's API and query call logs from that. That could be helpful. Yeah, I guess so. Because we have to, after making the calls, we need to see if the call actually went through, if the call is actually successful or not. and that way we can have like a complete dashboard and graph of, okay, these many calls for success, these many calls for failure, stuff like that. So send each data one by one. We also be sending data back. So make provisions to display webhook response. But ask AI, how can I let me just check the VAPI documentation. Settings, where's integrations? Not this, my bad, wait. Help, documentation, yeah, perfect. Let's just also look at API documentation, just because I think it's going to be a bit cool. So with API documentation, create call, list charts, create chart, okay, chat sessions, get session, list sessions, okay. Okay, ID, foo, conference threshold. Wait, no, I don't need support. Can someone wait? This is the session. So okay, this is what I need. This is the API thing that I need. I can list sessions and stuff. So workflows, test suites. So I would need to use this list sessions so that I could display calls made by VAPI onto my dashboard. So that's something that I would require. And authorization requires bearer token. Oh shit, my bad. Okay, maybe I should try it. Enter your bearer token. It's not authenticated. I mean, it's a free account. I don't mind showing you guys my API keys, but I wouldn't be doing this on a paid account. Obviously, I love my money. So copy ID, paste it here, send request. Okay, it's a bit annoying, being honest. So I'll just, no, I don't need it. Wait, no. I'll refresh this. What the hell? So it's authenticated. 4 optional properties. Name. I mean, are there any? I can't see any. Like, I can't see any required send request or this send request. So status, time, items per page, current page 1, total item 0. Okay, but I don't think this is the one that we need because it gets sessions. I don't need this. I think I need to list the logs. That's what I need. So squads, test suites, test. Analytical query. Wait. Yeah, logs. I need to get logs. Perfect. This is what I need. Send request. Okay. It's a lot of info. It's a lot of info. So it gets all the logs, request body. Shit, okay. Call duration, operation start, day, time zone, actually calculator, average call cost, call operation. Okay, what the hell? Oh wait. Group by. Okay. So this is the API to get logs, I think. So if I grab this and go to display webhook response, also make a dashboard to showcase analytics from VAPI and call logs. Use the following request to query VAPI. Also make provisions to add VAPI API key in settings, which would be used to authenticate the following request. Oh shit, not this. Wait. I go in here. If I close this, wait. Get logs, okay. I think there should be an option to copy the whole page if I'm. Yeah, okay, it's deprecated, okay. That's bad. So wait, I can't get logs. What's this regarding? Anyway, I'll still use it. I don't mind. It's built with Fern. Copy. This is the API docs. Let's see how this is gonna go. The website's looking pretty solid. Missed follow-ups, code scripts, man, dialing waste. Turning dials into deals. Okay. Webhook, okay, the locating database upload interfaces, column mapping, webhook. Okay, until this is getting done, we go to Shreyas, go to workflows. Chat model is this. We don't need to use a tool actually. What we need to do is we need to define an output. So we'll use 4.1. 4.1 is decent and it's pretty cool. I can use 4.1 mini, doesn't really matter. Once we have this, we need to post calls. We need to post calls to HTTP request. We need to post calls to the VAPI server, which yeah, let me just, you know what, at this point I'll ask AI, give me an intent curl for making calls using VAPI with a phone number. Done. Also, I made a video a few days ago. I mean, it's been a lot of time. So if I go to my own YouTube channel, because I'll be reusing one of the templates that I made for that particular video, which would be super cool. So go to AI with Shreyas Raj. Go in here, go to videos. I think I made a video a few days ago. This is it, yeah. A lot of people saw this video and they all wanted this, so yeah, assets. How to use config, okay. Read list v2 CSV. Not now. Caller backend, this is what I need. So we'll need to call the backend. I downloaded it. Now I'll quickly, oh wait, my bad. Okay, this looks good. I'll open this in a new link because I know the caller backend should be integrated here, but this one's for retail, but I think this should work anyways. This is the CURL. Assistant ID directly, phone number, your assistant ID, phone number, max tokens. I can probably use this, but I don't know. This looks your Maya professional voice info company. Yeah, gotcha. So, hi there. Is this homeowner? First message. By the way, it's not. Or maybe I could use this. Maybe let's just use this. Never mind. Because this one would be a bit more complex. Because a lot of. But this would be much better. So for the sake of it, so customer number, name, homeowner name, homeowner. So I think these stuff need to be clarified before. I think let's just use this one. Wait, no, man, I'll use this one. So this is like the easier one. This one would be super complex, not for me, but for you guys. So that's why I don't wanna go with that one. Paste, import, couldn't. Okay, we'll go to profiles real quick. If I go to dashboard, it's loading, which is super cool. It's also updating code in the backend. Go to share Sarge again. Let me just check if in the documentation if making a call is correct. So create call. Okay, perfect. The API is looking good to me. So we'll close this. Paste it here. VAPI call. What's the next thing? It's authorization. Okay, bearer, your API key, header. This is the data file. This is the source. Customer. Perfect. I think I can grab at least this much because this one's predefined. So go in there. Authentication none. Send body. Using JSON, paste the JSON. The JSON looks validated. I don't need to change anything here. Now I think I should. So under send headers, we'll have it's gonna be bearer, and then the API key. Okay, I won't showcase the whole thing. Name, okay, content type would be application JSON. Content type, application JSON. Paste it here. This looks good to me. Your VAPI phone number ID. So we'll grab all of this real quick in a second. Just go. First, let me just check how we're doing in Bolt. So this, okay, we've added so many features. Let's go to dashboard. Die-listed AI. I mean the name is pretty damn cool as well. I like it. So it's loading. Okay, it's taking a lot of time. Well, let me just log out. Sign out. Wait. Sign out. Refresh. Sign out. The sign out functionality is not working, and the dashboard does not open and keeps loading. I tell it my problem and it's gonna give me a solution. So until then, we go to profiles. Let's just attach a phone number to our VAPI agent. So go to phone numbers, create phone number free. Let's just go import Twilio, go to Twilio, go to manage, go to active numbers, grab the number, paste the number, go to account dashboard, I can't believe it's so slow. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm a non-profit organization. So apparently that's what Twilio is trying to tell me. It's like account, gotcha. Share / import Twilio, import from Twilio. Imported, it's done. Grab phone number ID, paste it under phone number ID, your VAPI phone number ID. Go under number. So this is a number to call, I think. So it's going to be +1 307512 Name John Smith. Assistant ID would be, so assistant ID, copy. Assistant ID is whatever in here. Homeowner name John Smith. Looks good. Test step. I think I'm. Oh wait, I think I'm gonna receive call on that phone, which is. Stop. I think I need to change the number. Just a second. Okay. Go to HTTP request. No prompt specified in the agent node. Okay, I'll delete this. I'll run only this one. Let's see how this is gonna act. Give me a call. Come on. Yeah. 22 items. Okay. Authorization. I got this. Application. Phone number. Why didn't it make a call? Okay. There's no create call. Wait, what? I think I messed up something. Post create call. Okay. Type provider trans. Create call example. I'll ask, why am I getting this? I mean, this is what I need actually. In reality, I mean, oh shit, oh my bad. It's get calls. Ooh. Let's just test the call to post, and I think I'll get a call. Hello, can you hear me?
Oh, sorry, please go ahead. I can hear you just fine.
Yeah, what's my name?
Sorry, I don't have your name. Could you tell me your name?
Okay, why did you call?
I totally understand. Could I just take 5 seconds?
Go
I
on.
promise this isn't typical.
Yeah, go on.
Thanks so much. I'm Maya, calling from company name. We're a small investment group that actually purchases homes directly from owners. No commissions, no showings, and flexible closing timelines. Would it be okay if I took about a minute to explain why I'm calling?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Great, I appreciate it. I'm reaching out about your property at property address. I wanted to see if you've been thinking about selling, or if there's anything specific that's prompting you to consider it.
Probable. Wait, so it didn't took the variables in, which is a bit it's a big concern. Go to the sign out, login, password, sign in. Okay. So welcome back. Sign in into Dallas State account. I fixed the link causing the issue and sign out dashboard loading problems. Sign out functionality. Dashboard loading issues. Okay, so it's still signing in, which means I cannot wait anymore. I'll refresh this again. Go to dashboard. Okay, so I still can't go to my dashboard, which is login. Use demo at the rate Dallas State. I copy, paste. Password demo at that 123, copy. Do online search in VAPI prompt. Do you need for variables or yeah, okay. It must be double braces, okay. So I'll copy the whole prompt. Just this one. All the variables in this prompt should be. This should fix it. I'll go to. I'll fix the sign-in issues and demo login provisions. The problem is likely to connect to working properly. Use demo, sign in. Still can't sign in. Okay, never mind. Even if I use my account, which is this one, and my password, which is create. Okay, it's a bit painful, but never mind. Okay. Yeah, please, this is required. I can't believe Claude messed this one up. It's just underwhelming. I mean, I'm paying $50 a month to these platforms. It's a bit underwhelming. Anyways, copy. No, wait. Variables to fill. Perfect. Publish. Let's just make a call now. Oh shit, my bad. Yeah, test step. Let's just make a call now. Let's see.
Hello.
Yeah, why have you called me?
Oh, sorry. Please go ahead. I completely understand you're busy. Would it be okay if I just took about 25 seconds?
What's my name? Do you know my name? Okay, that was server unreachable. Hello. Owner name. I think the variable is called as owner name. So it's the variable. Homeowner name. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Publish. Let's just try this one. Let's just make a call.
Hello, John Smith.
Hello. Why did you call?
Oh, sorry. Please go ahead.
What's
Sorry,
the reason
please
for
go ahead.
what's the reason for this call?
Sure, I can explain. I'm Maya from ABC Investment Group, and I'm reaching out about your property at 123 Main Street, Anytown. We're a small investment group that buys homes directly from owners. Would it be okay if I took about a minute to explain why I'm...
So I think there's a big server error. Go to dashboard. I still can't load my dashboard, which is surprising. So Bolt is thinking migration return case statement, individual insert statement instead. Okay, perfect. Go to Shreyas. So what we'll do is we'll hook this up. I think I also need a variable. I'll go in here, go to messaging. I think I need to create a workflow. I'll import a file which would be in downloads, open it up. Yeah, I think this shall help. I mean, okay, production URL. I think you can send data in here. This should work. And server message would be only end of call report. I don't need conversation. Status update tool calls, transfer destination request, publish. This is good. I mean, this much is enough. Yeah, and I might need to restructure this a bit because we don't have a spreadsheet on our hands. Being honest, so I'll quickly just delete all of this. First things first is we just fix this thing. First things is we need to fix the front end because that's what matters the most. I can't still open my dashboard, which is... I'll deploy this maybe and let's see if this actually helps after deployment. So if I sign out, log in. Oh, come on. So I could go to my I'll go to this account and I mean, this could be, I don't have to make it like a full-fledged backend chatbot. I can make it just simple calling front end where it calls and then the AI gets the calls from VAPI. That's more than enough. I mean, that's like something that the realtors would love. So quickly go in here, go to get started. Now I go to dashboard. Oh shit. Login, use demo. Please let me just sign in. Okay, remember me. Okay, I think this is not working. Let me just register here again. So Shreyas Raj 1, Keller Williams XYZ, ABC 1 2 3 4 5, ABC 1 2 3 4 5. I agree. Create account. Sign in here. Shreyas Raj 1, ABC 1 2 3 4 5. Sign in. I cannot open the dashboard. It is stuck at signing in and keeps rotating. Does not navigates me to dashboard. I mean, if it can't get me to dashboard, I can't do anything else. Like, it needs to get me to a dashboard. That's the only thing that's gonna help me maybe do the calls and stuff. So just go in there. This actually makes a lot of sense. So this is super cool. We can like, so this HTTP post request, we can segregate stuff in here and then we can make calls. Maybe I can loop the calls, so we can have a loop here. We can do all of that later. I think I should also go to sheets maybe, and then go to, yeah, let's just name it, like create a spreadsheet, name it test sheet, name, location, additional info. I mean, that's all you have in general if you are like a real estate guy. So I'll say Shreyas Raj, and yeah, phone is the most important. Phone, yeah, PHONE, phone. Location 123 Marytown, West Virginia, whatever. I'm additional info, maybe retired 60-year-olds. I'm not 60-year-old, but I'm just like giving it a, so 7020294172. This is what the phone number that we give, and I'm gonna copy this one because why not? Control C. Scroll up. At least we're gonna like at least two records, and I'll change the phone number to my recording phone number, which is 93075128116. Wait, it didn't change. 93075128116. The beautiful thing about Twilio is that it doesn't require country code. You can even call your country code and it's gonna still connect the call, which is super cool. So if I go to Bolt, please get this fixed. Please, this is just okay. Apply changes. I don't know what's causing all the, go to Shreyas, this one. Okay, I'll download this test file just because we're gonna upload this into our micro SaaS. Download, go to my website. Perfect. Sign out. Why can't I goddamn sign? Okay, refresh, sign out. Oh, no mind. Go to dashboard, deploy. So it's not letting me sign out, which is super annoying, but this is how these things work. So if you're doing it no code, there's still gonna be some constraints, but in the end, it's something that you can show to your client and he's gonna be super happy just because it's super easy to use. Deluxe Druid, okay. Login. Shreyas. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Come on, perfect. Never. Perfect. See, upload CSV, choose file, I'll choose this open, column mapping. Okay. Okay. I kind of understood the process. So up open, upload and process, select column. So property address is location, so the owner's name, additional info, works. Okay. Oh shit, how am I gonna call without a phone? Okay, I kind of messed up, but let's just try if the send data to webhook actually works, because if it does, I'm gonna be super happy. So save. I've kind of saved it, so let's just see how this goes. So if I go to send to webhook, it's sending. Check the webhook. I didn't receive anything, which is still sending. Save mappings. So the sending is taking its time. Webhook response. VAPI analytics, it's gonna configure settings. Your VAPI API key. I think I should try this at least. I mean, this should be working technically. So go to VAPI, go to API keys, grab my key, profiles, go to this, paste, save settings, so responses, overview. Wait, what? Okay, try it. This could be something super cool, being honest, but yeah. Wait, did the webhook even trigger? The question is, did the webhook even trigger? Because if it did, I'll refresh this real quick just to check if it actually triggered. No, it didn't trigger. So here are a few problems that we have, which is, okay, the webhook didn't trigger when data was sent. Also allowed to map fields for phone number, as we cannot call without it. Dashboard. It's taking so much time. Plus, let me see. Wait, I didn't configure it or what? Also, whenever I put my VAPI API key in, settings, if it is updated in the backend, it should give a message as changes saved. Same for sending data to webhook. It should inform if we have sent data, and also make it clear if we have any errors by giving appropriate error notifications. Perfect. And let's see. By the way, it's looking super cool, being honest. The issue is that I can't configure it. Right. Refresh, because that's a pain. But just go back in here, editor, connect this to this, and yeah, tools we can. I don't think we need any tools, being honest, but yeah, I mean, I want this to work out. Column mapping, so I think we're doing some updates. So webhook responses, we are doing that. Let me just quickly test out my AI agent again. Give a super effective short opening line. I think this one would work. This one might make it work. So go to assistants, paste, publish. I'll delete this, make a call, which I'll pick up.
Hi, Jim Smith. This is Maya from ABC Investment Group. I have a question about 123 Main Street, Anytown, State. 2345 that might interest you. Do you have 30 seconds?
Yeah, I do. Go on.
Thanks. Thanks. I appreciate it. So I'm reaching out because we're...
It is stuck on loading dashboard after login. Anyways, it's thinking. Until then, maybe I can fix the callback mechanism. So yeah, I don't think we need this part actually. What I could do, directly hook this up with this. I don't even need to do this part actually. I have it all in here. Open this. Name is no. Okay, date. User. Your role is to combine the person's name. Let's just not do it. Your role is to. Your role is to determine and see if the person needs to be called again based off the transcript you receive, or if the person has requested a callback or something similar. Also determine if the person should be put onto a D&D list in case he was too violent, etc. Okay. And a person receive something should also okay, there's nothing violent. Okay, I think the spelling's right. Anyways, let's just see what we got in here. There's an issue that fetching profile. Okay, not getting stuck with system issues. Dashboard. Okay. Choose file. Test CSV. Open. Upload CSV. Column mapping. Selects name. Location. Owner name is name. Phone is phone. Additional info. Send to webhook. Okay, I think the data was sent to webhook. Okay. Actually go to executions. Oh shit, we got the data. Oh shish, I like it. So anyways, in the body we have raw data. Perfect. I think we got it like twice. So in like interval of 1 second we got it twice. So super cool, I guess. But I like it. So we're in the right direction. All we have to do is define below what's the user prompt. So name is this. Owner name is location. I don't know why even I have this thing, but I think I would need it for future stuff. But yeah, location. Okay, if this is working, I would check if the VAPI get data is working. Okay, I think maybe I can ignore it just because of the fact that it's all working fine. I also want to show what also if the transcript is empty, consider recalling. I mean, I don't know if that's the right word, but yeah. Delete this, grab an AI agent, define below, system message, paste it here, got a specific output format, chat model would be open AI 4.1, anything that comes under 4.1 works. Okay, perfect. Yeah, test step, go in here, call ended. Not something that I need, but okay. To activate this, okay, never mind. I'll say ABC, save anything to activate it, problems. Okay, I think we have to delete the whole part to redo this for this particular SaaS. So okay, click on save. Okay, activate, got it. Prompt to location. I think I can directly, I mean, I don't even need this. I can directly hook this up with this and this should work. So go in here. Name would be, oh wait, not here. Name would be Shreyas. Raj, homeowner name would be Shreyas Raj. Yeah, I know this is a bit buggy, but yeah, homeowner name Shreyas Raj, property address, my town XYZ, company is ABC Investment Group. Yeah, whatever, I mean ABC Investment Group. I think the phone number needs to be tweaked, so remove this. I don't think we need a plus. Do we need a plus? That's the question though. Save, test workflow, bad request. Oh shit, I think we need a plus. So I'll add a plus in here. Yeah, I think that's where we messed up. So plus test step. So we do need the country code, which is interesting. So okay, 91. Yeah, apologies. 607512816. Perfect. Download CSV. Perfect. Put profiles under wait, my bad. Under Bolt, you go to dashboard. Okay, why is this bug coming back? Until then, I think we can work on this. So output parser, auto fixing. Yeah, anyways, I need callback, yes/no. Ring again. I think it's gonna have the same thing. So be yes/no. Control C. DND. Yes/no. What else do we have in here? So the person in case it's violent. Last one would be interested. So interested, yes/no. if interested, you could just like message the person on Telegram. That would be super helpful. And then based of that, you'll have split. Wait, I mean the if okay, first we save this and let's just first make sure the front end is working well. So go to, it's doing all of this. There's some weird stuff that's going on here. I mean, it's super weird. Anyways, looking back at this, okay, let's just test it like directly. So what I can do is let me just have a chat with the AI agent, and based on that we'll understand what. So it's still gonna send the data to this webhook, I think. Good.
Hi, this is Maya from. I have a question about that might interest you. Do you have 30 seconds?
Yeah, I do.
Thanks so much. I'm calling from. We're a small investment group that actually purchases homes direct.
If I end the call, if I check the executions, is the webhook wrong? Production webhook. If I go to execution, still can't see it. Go to VAPI. Okay. Okay, I don't know what's causing this issue, but server settings, it's not sending data to this webhook, which is weird. If I refresh this, if I chat with VAPI again, because I should receive data in here, which is not happening. So
Hi, this is Maya from. I have a question about that might interest you.
hey
Do you
Maya,
have 30 seconds?
how are you doing? Come on, okay. Okay, I don't know what's okay. Perfect. No, I got the data. Sheesh. Okay, copy to writer and pen. Transcript is empty. Okay, please ring again. Okay. So see RIPT transcript. Transcript is wait, where's the whole transcript? AI, voice agent, foundation, attribute, persona, production, message, sentry, a query, body, this is end of call summary. I can't see the okay, this is a transcript, my bad, this is a transcript. Call duration. Call duration. Duration. In MS. Save. If I go back, sign out, login, Shreyas @12345. Please come on. All I gotta do is just sign, like it's just a task. Shreyas. Yes. 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 So yeah, save. Test step. Ring again. Okay, ring again is yes, which is good. So if ring again is yes, then maybe we can ring the person again using data from the, okay, I can, if I could copy this, paste it here. Let me just see how the ring again might work. So okay, this is the webhook that we got. Okay, I think if I make a phone number call, that would be a bit different, but let's see. First things first is SaaS is like kind of dead, so which is, if I do login, annoying, but anyways, let's just see how this one might work. Let me just try to make a manual call myself. So let's just say the phone number is 917020294117. Test step.
Hi, Shane, Raj. This is Mayan from ABC Investment Group. I have a question about 123 Marytown, West Virginia that might interest you. You have 30 seconds?
Yeah, I do. Go on.
Oh, sorry, please go ahead.
No, go on. Yeah. Cut the call. Go to save. Refresh. Okay. So does it like not work here? I mean, what could have gone wrong? Enter executions. Not bad here. Let me just go in here. I think I'll just disconnect this. Probably this would help. Disconnect. Integrations, Superbase. I'll delete this because delete project. Control C, Control V. Understand the risk. Create new project. ABC. Something. Create. Let's go. Ignore. Let's just set it up like this. I think this might help. Creating a completely new database might help solve the issue. I cannot get the webhook response, which is super weird. So let me just check. Instant ID. What is this called? This is called as server URL. Okay. Why I do not get server URL response when I make a call using the following JSON. Perfect. If I log in now, I think I need to register first because I'm not sure. Yes, Raj at the gmail.com. Do it super quick. Not now. Agree to the policies. Create account. Okay. Works. This is looking decent. This is not found. Okay. Upload CSV. Choose file. Test CSV2. Upload in process. Attempt fix. let's attempt the fix for these. Let me go in here. Problem. Fix an expression. No, wait. Issue where we're sending out. Okay. Phone number. Okay. Let's try this. Let's try the static value. So Control C, Control V, Control A, Control V. No, wait, never mind. Copy, paste, test step.
John Smith. This is Maya from ABC Investment Group. I have a question about 123 Main Street, Mumbai that might interest you. Do you have 30 seconds?
Yeah, I do.
Great, thank you.
So I can't see it here, which is, I think maybe I need to, under this server messages, we'll have phone call control, transcript, session update. Okay. If I try this, I want to see how this one would work out. Test step. Because again, the agent is same.
Hi, John Smith. This is Maya from ABC Investment Group. I have a question about 123 Main Street, Mumbai that might interest you. You have 30 seconds?
Yeah, I do. Oh, wow. No, I got the... Oh, I got so much data. It's insane. Cool. So let me just see which one's the best. Copy to writer. Let's see what this one says. So this didn't have a webhook. So there's no transcript. Transcript. Oh. What? So it didn't have transcript, so it was an empty convo. So which of these test step? Switch. Callback. I think again. Callback is when the person asks to call back after a certain time. Ring again is if not picked. Save profiles. Don't know what's going wrong, but yeah, CSV upload CSV. A dashboard, upload, choose file. I'll choose this, open, run process, perfect. Column mapping, name, so property address would be location, owner name would be name, phone number would be phone, additional info would be additional info. Click on send to webhook. So data was sent, which is perfect. Go to VAPI analytics. Under VAPI analytics, go to configure settings. Go to profiles. Go to yeah. Go to copy, paste. Save settings. I think this VAPI thing is where they're messing up. Everything else is working, so it's sending data successfully to the API, which is really cool, but to the webhook. But apart from that, anything else is not working. What's just the problem? Okay. Anyways, so this is kind of working. Test workflow again. Let's see how this one's gonna be. Test step. Output. Okay. Output only as yes, no. Output only as yes, no. This step. This step. Callback. So we're gonna have a callback. Perfect. First things first is, did we got the data? Yeah, we did got the data. So debug in editor, unpin. Perfect. This time, if I change this with this, I think it will work. Perfect.
Hi, Shreya's Raj. This is Maya from ABC Investment Group. I have a question about 123 Marytown, West Virginia that might interest you. Do you have 30 seconds?
So the call was initiated, which is super cool. So which means that I can upload CSVs and it will just call. So that's super cool, first of all. Yeah, we got a fix. So those what happens when attacks. Cases where no those. Perfect. So it's handling that. So we are currently able to make calls using our SaaS. Now we need to check for status, what's going wrong and stuff, and maybe check analytics, which would be super helpful in the end. Let me just see, what if I replace this with get? So I'm gonna get data. So this is transcript, this is recording. So yeah, I mean, this is what we need to do, I think. Get an authorization that the rest would be done by AI. Yeah, this is just super cool, being honest, because yeah, if I go to dashboard, go to webhook settings. So if there's no webhook response, go to column map, VAPI analytics, go to configure setting, go to paste it here, save settings, probably cancel. Wait, what you could do? I'll go to, I'll say give curl to get call data from VAPI. Keeping it super simple, super straightforward. This is all we need. Like, this is all we need. So under VAPI analytics, replace your VAPI API key with the provided API key and display all the call info gracefully with everything thing properly displayed. Here is an example output. I'll quickly grab the example output from if I go to Shreyas Raj, and if I go to here, so we got 32 items, right? So we're gonna go to JSON. Oh sheesh, we got so many calls. So yeah, this is how the outputs should be displayed gracefully, and once the API key is saved, it should be updated in the database, and the VAPI analytics should check every 30 seconds for new call logs. I think this would be cool. Let's see how it's gonna go. So perfect, looks good to me. So I'll quickly now go to our recalling thing, because this would also be a great feature. Call bearer. If I go to webhook, I think there should be phone number somewhere. No phone numbers. Okay, executions. 618. Do we have phone numbers? Do we have? Aisha sir, this is Maya from. If I can find phone number somewhere, that's gonna be super cool. Phone. Wait, where is it? Phone call. Okay. Where's the phone number? The table, it's looking much more structured, which is something really cool. Phone number. Via Google, okay. Outbound phone call. Below PSTIN queued. There's a phone number. I still can't find the phone. Yeah, this is this is the number. Perfect. I think we got to recall the same number. That's what this would try to do. Just try that. So, sheesh. First, let me just fix this one. Dashboard. VAPI analytics. Go to configure. Yeah, this is not the API key. Copy. Go in here. Paste. Save settings. Perfect. I think it's not allowing to save. Let the person add the VAPI API key and check live directly from the interface, as there is some database error probably that is preventing to save VAPI API key. So I think the purpose of our SaaS is almost done, which means that we can make calls using this platform. I think I'll add a wait. So if I go to Shreyas, yeah. So in here, I might need to add a wait column. So wait. Like 3 minutes before making any calls. And I mean, I can add phone numbers. I can add more phone numbers too. This doesn't really matter. But maybe that should be handled in the backend. Like that shouldn't be the person's concern to do that kind of stuff. So maybe I think Yeah, I mean, meant to change it, but yeah, that's how it is. I'll turn it to post just because yeah, this is how we do it. So posting is we'll post it, but yeah. And if I go to profiles again, just building the whole SaaS. But yeah, overall, this is something really decent that we have built out, which allows us to like, it's kind of a SaaS, which I feel it's super cool, being honest, that we built it out. And let's see how it's gonna key changes. There was a hell lot of errors, which is pretty new, because whenever I build these stuff, it's really pretty error free in general. So go to dashboard, go to VAPI analytics, paste API key here, click on view, click on test and connect. 32 calls, total cost is this much. Auto refresh for 30 seconds. Also allow to expand on the call logs to see transcripts and other relevant info. Webhook response, we are not doing. Okay, I mean, it's looking a bit. Workflow started. Oh shit, this is super cool. I like it. Those are the webhook response. Column mapping, we can do the column mapping here. We can add CSVs. Overview is this, and yeah, other relevant info. Also allow to see expanded okay, transcripts. Improve the front end. I think that this should do. If I click this, okay, let's just see. But all in all, if I go back to my SaaS, I think we are doing pretty cool. So if I go in here to initiate another call, yeah, so I need to, yeah, number. This is the number actually. So remove this. This is the number. Agent ID. No, yeah, workflow. No, this is agent assistant ID. Yeah. This is what we need. So assistant ID. So we'll call them twice just in case. Perfect. This is what we got. Also, if the person says call back, so for the callback thing, I'll do it. I'll go up here. I'll say AI agent, define below, webhook, transcript. Yeah. Transcript. Analyze the call and based off that give only in decimal numbers in hours to call back after. Decimal numbers to call back after. What we'll do now is, okay, we need a chat model obviously. So OpenAI 4.1. Oh, wait, go in here, click on hours, Control C, Control V, and yeah. Okay, this should work. So this is for, what else do we got? We got interested. If interested, I think I got to make a system for that as well. So if interested, send message to Telegram or drop me a mail, whatever works. So I think drop me a mail. Yeah, IMAP. Yeah, got you. Inbox name, send. Okay, wait, I think we need to send. Yeah, send email. Send an email. I have no idea which account is this one for. Okay, so I'll grab this one then. From email to email, Shreyas Raj business gmail.com. Subject line, interested prospect. HTML ABC. Add it here. And for DND, to be done for DND. Okay, we'll figure that out later. But okay, if I go in here, if I click on dashboard, if I click on VAPI, if I click on paste, wait, I think that's wrong. Go to my account, go to private keys, copy, go to here, Control V, paste, test and connect. Show problems. Cost is not a fixed function. Okay, I think it can figure it out real quick. So we started off with 6.2 million tokens and we are down at 3.7, which is, I think it's a pretty recent use of tokens. Again, I mean, this is some seriously cool stuff, being honest. If I actually like run a call on myself, so if I delete this real quick, save, if I test a call on myself, Control Z, now if I save it right like this. Hello?
Hi, Shreyas Raj. This is Maya from ABC Investment Group. I have a question about 123 Marytown, West Virginia that might interest you. Do you have 30 seconds?
Yeah, I would like to schedule a call with David.
Oh, sorry. Please go ahead. You're interested in scheduling a call with David, is
Yeah.
that right?
Yeah.
Great. I appreciate that. Would it be okay if I took a minute to explain why I'm calling? I promise this isn't like other real estate calls you might get.
No, it's completely okay. I would like to schedule a call with David. I'm interested. Thank you. Close the call. Go to executions. We are running this one, so let's see how this one goes. Okay. Wait, this execution not finished yet. Refresh. So why are so many executions waiting? Oh, wait. So what did it do? Call back again, yes. So the transcript is unavailable, which is a big concern. So I think it's not catching the transcript correctly, probably. Transcript. We should be can't. Okay. I think I messed up something. What's the latest one? This is supposed to be the latest one, I think. Yeah, I guess. Okay. So transcript is a bit messed up. What was the messages? So hi, just okay. Yes, I would like to call with David. Okay, content. Where's the transcript? So we didn't have that. We don't have that. That makes sense. Message. I somehow can't find the whole thing, which is okay. Content is attributes. Gotcha. Yeah, test step. Now let's see. Test step. What the hell? Transcript is, oh, my bad. JSON dot stringify in curly brackets. This would work. Test step now. Interested? Yes. I think I'm gonna get a mail. So test step. Wait, what? Callback. If interested, you cannot call back to be yes. Simple. Save. Test step. Wait, what was the prompt? Is yes, call back cannot be yes. Save, stop, refresh. If I check the SaaS again, dashboard, go in here, paste your VAPI API keys, just and connect. Caller ID, summary, this is what we got. Listen to recording. Cool.
Hi, Shreyas Raj. This is Maya from ABC Investment Group. I have a question about 123 Marytown, West Virginia that might interest you. Do you have
I want the extension to include transcripts in the VAPI call analytics call details. Test it. No, wait. Oh, how come it is messed up again? If the prospect is listed, callback should be no. Save, stop, refresh. Test step. Perfect. I should get a mail. Now I think I'll change the mail subject to callback. Where's somebody? Wait, number. Call summary. Wait. Summary. You know what? I think I can just find it right here. I'm just gonna put this whole thing under calls summary. Oh, I think I should just grab it from here. So if I go in here, grab this JSON stringify thing, copy this. Wait, what the hell? Webhook. Control C. Go in here, scroll down. Yeah, perfect. Call back. Perfect. Save. Test workflow. If I check my mail inbox, call back, interested prospect or whatever. So it's an interested prospect, which looks kind of cool to me. So yeah, this setup is working, fortunately. Now it's not production ready, being honest, but go to dashboard. If I go to VAPI analytics, I paste my API keys from VAPI. Oh yeah, my bad, I'm sorry. Shreyas Raj, copy, profiles, go in here, paste your API key, test and connect. So yeah, we could see what the whole thing is about: call information, cost breakdown, transport details, full conversations, transcript, message timeline, customer, bot, okay, control panel, okay. Sheesh, this is looking super cool. So I like how this is going on. If I upload CSV real quick, let's just see if it can make the calls right now. So open, upload and process. Processing. I think it's already there, so that's the issue. But yeah, choose CSV. There shouldn't be an issue for processing, else it's gonna be a long one. So did I mess up the upload CSV function? Upload CSV taking too long to process. So the issue with a no-code, vibe-coded app is that something fixes, something breaks, something breaks, something fixes. It's that's why it's AI. I mean, if we as humans built it, it would be perfect, but it's not, because it's AI generated. So okay, just upload any spreadsheet. Doesn't upload and it's processing code. So if I go to dashboard, I'll just try to process CSV upload, open. Oh yeah, it's working, Shit, let's go. So location, owner name, phone, additional info, send to webhook. This one is multiple rows. Okay. Is it like turned off? Executions. It's waiting. Okay. Let's just wait again. I mean, it's gonna take 3 minutes, so I can't blame it. But yeah, quickly deploy this and quickly give you a quick rundown of what we have built. So a lot of errors, I completely understand. I hope I'll cut out a lot of. This video would be cut down, so it's a 2-hour long video, but I'll cut it down to like 1.5 hours, because most of the time we're just fixing shit and all. So if you want a full uncut version, do let me know, but I'm gonna cut a lot of shit from this because I'm not satisfied with how well Bolt performed. But yeah, so in 2 hours for real estate agents to make calls using our platform, and it's super cool. You can make calls by uploading your CSV and check analytics of the call. It's completely end to end. Your client can log into this software. It's a micro SaaS which is built off complete no code. Super cool. So you can register yourself, click on sign in. Oh yeah, I messed up something. Oh, of course I messed up the password. So you need to put in the right password, else it's gonna not work. Once you reach, you're gonna see something like this. Go to CSV upload, choose a file. I'm gonna choose this one, click on open, click on upload and process. It's processing. As you could see, it's all, so you can map the column. So property address, owner name, phone number, additional info, send to webhook. As you can see, this is the phone number and this is everything that we have, and we should receive a call. So, and that phone is also receiving a call, but yeah.
Hi, Shreya Raj. This is Maya from ABC Investment Group. I have a question about 123 Marytown, West Virginia that might interest you. Do you have 30 seconds?
30 seconds, yeah, go on.
Oh, sorry, please go ahead. I was just reaching out because...
No, yeah, I'm super interested and I would like to talk to David. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shreya. I appreciate your enthusiasm.
Yeah, just
I'll go ahead
just
and
ask,
schedule a time.
yeah, just ask David to call me back. Or just ask him to, I'm interested, just make him call me back. So I cut the call. Now, if this backend allows to process the after call stuff, so you can process the after call, what happens. So if callback, ring again, DND, interested, has all of that. If the person is interested, you'll get a mail on your mailbox. If the person is, what's this? Yeah, if the person requests a call back, let's just say call me back in 30 minutes, the AI would do a call back. If the person does not pick up the call, AI is going to ring him again. So that's how it's going to be. Super powerful, super straightforward, completely tailored for a client. This is the front end where we send data and then it makes a call. The stuff is running on VAPI, which is super cool as well. And all in all, you can also see VAPI's analytics. If I copy this real quick, this is the VAPI API key, and go to our app, which is here. If I go to VAPI analytics and paste it here, test and connect. So we can literally see everything that's happening with VAPI. Call summary, call transcripts, system. You can listen to the recording. We can we can do all of this. So this is the whole SaaS that we have built. You can onboard your clients. You can use their credentials. This way, all they have to do is upload a CSV. Calling would be done. Everything would be done. Completely automated, and you can sell this for a lot of cash. So yeah. I hope this was helpful, and we'll learn how to build this. But yeah, thanks for watching. Follow for more. Appreciate it. Bye bye. Cheers.